Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to be talking about the all-important subject of making sure you are getting enough to eat. With every fad diet out there, there are elements of counting calories, measuring things, weighing things, making sure they fit in certain container sizes or take up certain portions sizes on your plate. There's all these different ideas for how we need to analyze and make sure we're getting what we need. That just doesn't work when you're eating a plant-based diet. You need to listen to your body when you are eating a plant-based diet. Your body will tell you when you are full, and you need to eat until you feel full. The fiber in these plant-based foods is going to keep you feeling full for a lot longer. Your snacking needs are going to way go down, and you'll just have a natural portion control. When you feel full, you can stop eating. Also, there's a way higher water content found in fresh fruits and veggies than there are in packaged foods. And that water in those fresh fruits and vegetables helps you stay fuller longer. Now, the key to really having success in eating plant-based is learning to love beans. Beans are magical because they actually feed you twice. When you first eat them, you feel full when you eat them in your stomach, and then as you digest them, the microbes in your gut feed off them again and actually help you feel fuller longer, and the next day you will have fewer cravings because your body is still satisfied from those beans you ate. Beans are our friend. Can I say that enough? So please, load up your plate with all that goodness. Eat until you feel full and satisfied. Please do not be nitpicking about calories. It just doesn't work in this type of eating. And remember, more is better. And when I say more, I mean a big variety, lots of different types of fresh fruits, vegetables, and grains. Get them all in there. Your body uses them and they work together and they create food synergy to give you tons of extra benefits with antioxidants, nutrients, anti-inflammatory properties. The list goes on and on and on. So load up, enjoy that food, and eat until you feel full.